Can you give me a one sentence answer to this question? Because I don't want a long one. If I like to drink and be intoxicated quite often, as of recent, more now than ever. But when you're in a momentum is built and you crave something, what is something you can say to yourself to kind of like kick the craving and then go on to the next thing? You know, just so you can, just one sentence.
Okay, this is going to be a really long sentence. What you're asking is, what could I say or do to shift the momentum that has been underway for a while? And we say, there isn't anything that you can do in this moment other than respond to the momentum. That's why when people say, I'm not going to do that anymore, and they haven't shifted anything vibrationally, they are going to do it again, because law of attraction demands that you do. So this is the sentence that we want you to hear. The other was just the getting ready to hear the one sentence. This is the sentence that we want you to hear. I'm going to stop beating up on myself for my natural law of attraction response to the situation that I'm in right now. I'm going to stop beating up on myself for my natural law of attraction response to the momentum that is underway right now. Because your path, that momentum is your path, and where you are is all right. And in the absence of that self-condemnation, you're going to find some vibrations that are going to allow you to see some things that you haven't been allowing yourself to see. If we could get you to just do that one thing, stop being so mean to yourself in your comparison of where you are in relationship to where you want to be. Where you want to be would light up, light up, light up, light up, light up. But when you're condemning where you stand, do you hear the power of the discord in condemning where you stand? Condemning the very point of attraction that equals everything that you're allowing in. Can you feel the wall that you build when you say, I'm not where I'm supposed to be, I'm not where I'm supposed to be, I'm not where I'm supposed to be. The path's there, you don't see it. The path's there, you don't see it. The path's there, you don't see it. The path's there, you don't see it, because you're not where you're supposed to be. I'm not where I'm supposed to be. I am not where I'm supposed to be. I should be doing better. I should be doing better than I'm doing right now. I'm not where I'm supposed to be. There's the path. You don't see it. There's the path. You don't see it. There's a path. You don't see it, because you have got yourself in a vibrational place where you can't see it. But if you have practiced, I'm a nice person and I like to feel good, and feeling good is who I am, and I was born to feel good, and Source adores me, and I want to feel good, and I'm making my way, and I'm figuring this out, and everything's unfolding, and I'm never going to get it done, and I can't get it wrong, and everything's working out for me, and I'm figuring it out as I go along, and I'm feeling better every day, and I like getting control of my vibrational frequencies, and I love knowing about these emotions, and I'm finding my way into unconditional love, and there are conditions that I don't like, but I don't have to focus on them. And it doesn't mean put my head in the sand. It means distract myself from the details of the condition and focus upon the general essence of why the condition is important to me. I can find a vibrational alignment with who I am, and as I find a vibrational alignment with who I am, everything will show up, and in the meantime, things are showing up. Things are working out for me. I'm doing better than I'm giving myself credit to. I need to lighten up. I need to give myself a break. Here and now, my Source is flowing to me. Am I letting it in? I could let it in. I could let Source in. I could let my son in. I can let Jerry in. I could let someone who really loves me in right now. I don't have to beat up on myself and hold them out. No, don't come. I'm mad at myself. I know you want to help me, but no. No, don't come. I'm going to do this on my own, because I need to prove worthiness to someone who wants in if I just lighten up a little bit. Lighten up a little bit. Be easier about yourself. But you got to practice some love before you can love yourself, and that's the hard part. It's easier to love out there than it is over here, because you've been practicing not loving over here enough, you see. Really, really good time for a segment of refreshment.